Hello everyone. I welcome you all to ATM Creations and I welcome you all to Zero to Hero series of videos too. This is the 10th video in the series, and in this video I'm going to create a simple and easy dot mandala for all of you to follow and recreate, and I'll also show you how do I varnish, and once all that is done, I'm going to show you how do I fix the hooks and make it wall hanging. Now I'll start with dotting in the center. Now I'll keep some dots in bamboo green. Now I'll keep some tiny dots. Now I'll keep some light green dots. Now I'll keep some tiny dots. Now I'll keep some more light green dots. Now this light green is from Fevicryl. Now I'll keep some tiny dots in light green. Now I'll keep some straight swipes in light green. I'll keep a dot, then make it to a swipe. Now I'll keep some more straight swipes in bamboo green. I'll keep a dot and then make it to a swipe. I'll make these dots into swipes now. In between any two swipes here, I'm going to work the dots in pink. Now I'll keep some pink dots. Now I'll keep bamboo green dots. I'll work the dots in bamboo green now. I'll keep light green dots now. Now I'll keep some more light green dots. I'll work the dots second layer in light green. This light green is from Camel. Now I'll work the dots third layer in another shade of light green. Now I'll keep straight swipes in pink. I'll keep a plumpy dot, then make it to a swipe. Now I'll keep bamboo green dots. I'll work the dots in bamboo green. I'll keep some pink dots now. Now I'll keep light green dots. I'll work the dots in light green now. I'll work the dots in pink now. I'll keep some straight swipes in light green. I'm going to keep a dot, then make it to a swipe later. Now I'll keep two side swipes in bamboo green. I'm sure this dot mandala came out really well. Now in the series of 10 videos under the name Zero to Hero, I might have answered few questions which you had in mind. I might have missed answering many questions that you still have in mind. So what I request you all is to comment in this video about the questions that you still have, and in the next video I'll make sure I'll answer all of them.